Oh my. What have I done?
Oh, Mom.
Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. And yeah, look at this is what $1,000 of Vera Bradley looks like. So yes, I did. I spent $980 something dollars. With the tax, it came out to 1,000 something. I'm not even gonna say the amount, but they had a new drop for all my Vera Bradley friends here and lovers. So Vera Bradley had a drop that was the Belle Beauty and the Beast drop, and of course here's my chip little cup that I got in honor of it. Look how cute this is. It has an actual chip on it. I don't know if you guys can see it.
You want to tell the funny story of
Okay,
buying that?
So before we get into what $1,000 of Vera Bradley looks like, obviously I can't unbox everything today. Some of these are gifts, some of these are for me. So the ones that are for me, I will unbox one or two today, so we can really take in the item. I don't want to rush through it. A couple of these will unbox for the 14th here on my channel, which is Vera Bradley or Kipling Day that I like to do here on my channel. So I'll keep a couple for that day, but I will unbox at least 2 pieces for you today. So let's see, what was I gonna do first? Oh, I'm gonna tell you the story of my chip card, my chip thing here, cup. So I found this from I want to say, where was I at? Home Goods. Okay, so it was $9.99. So I don't know if you can see it. Now, when I saw this, I didn't go looking for this. I was just there trying to find like spring stuff for decoration for my house. I came across it and I picked it up and I was like, wow, this would be beautiful on display with my my new Belle and Vera Bradley drop, right? And then when I picked it up, of course, Chip, the cartoon character, has a chip in it. And I thought to myself, I was like, watch. I bet when I go to cash out, the cashiers are going to be like, oh, it has a chip. In my head, I was like, if they're not a fan of Disney, they might not know it, and watch them say it. And of course, as I'm checking out, I hand it to the lady and she's like, oh, I'm like, no. no, it's not chip. He's supposed to look like, he's like, but it's a big crap. I'm like, no, his name is Chip. He's from Disney's, Beauty and the Beast. Go watch it. So she didn't want to sell it, so she's like, are you sure he looks? I'm like, yes, he's supposed to look like that.
The chip is also smooth, by the way.
Yeah, it's very smooth.
Yeah.
It's glazed. It's not broken at all. It's so cute. So he's going to be on display here. I hope we don't break it.
Can you imagine?
So yeah, as you saw in the title, what does Vera Bradley $1,000 worth of stuff look like? Here you go. I mean, I think there is, let's count how many pieces. So 1. Of course, some are duplicates because I bought for myself and as gifts. 1, 2, look at this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. 16 item, guys. That is correct. They did ship it to me correctly, and this is the box it came in. So we have 16 items here. I guess I have to pick which one we're going to do today. So some of these that are the duplicates are gifts. So I dropped one. This is one for me. This is one for me. The wallet is for me. One of these boxes is for me. This is the backpack. And this is for me as well. Wait, this is the smaller bag. Look at the backpacks. So maybe we'll keep the backpacks for our Vera Bradley Day. So, okay, well, put these on the floor. So I'm going to open, I think we have to. We're going to open this one. And we will open, I want the one with the chip on it, and this one, okay?
Hooray.
Yay! How exciting! Thank you all for stopping by. If you're new here, I am Tara. I forgot even to say that. Did I say that? I'm still excited in the what $1,000 will buy from Vera Bradley. So I am Tara. Thank you for stopping by. If you just stumbled on here from the title, please hit that subscribe, guys. I'm a lot of fun to watch, don't you think? Okay, so our first product here, guys, from the Vera Bradley Belle Beauty and the Beast drop. I wanted to be the first one to do these, so I haven't seen anybody do it yet. So I am happy to share this with all my Vera Bradley friends here and all my Disney friends who have come along. Oh, wow. Okay, look, wow. Look at this. Wow. And there he is. Chip, here you are.
Yep.
Look at you, Chip. There you are, honey. What your? I think that's his mom.
His mother, yeah.
Yeah. Look at this. So this is a case. I don't know if it'll say the name on here. Maybe I should have. It doesn't say it. If I remember, guys, I will write it on the bottom what this is. Oh, here it is. Here it is. So it says Vera Bradley, Mrs. Potts, and Chip Cosmetic.
Yeah, I thought she was Mrs. Potts.
It's a cosmetic trouser and something. Mrs. Pot and Chip. What is it? Cosmetic? Is this a cosmetic
it's a cosmetic
cake?
pouch,
Okay,
yeah.
cosmetic case.
It's for like makeup.
That's what it says, guys. Sorry, I should put my I have to do my glasses on these videos, but I don't know. I don't like the way it looks.
Yeah.
Okay, but look how beautiful. I'm gonna be quiet. Let you guys take it in. Look at this. It is in this beautiful purpley pink color. Mauve. What is this called? Mauve.
Mauve, I think so, yeah.
So it's around. It looks like one of those vintage hat boxes. So it is, of course, this beautiful shape. I don't have my nails on. I don't want you guys to see my ugly fingernails, so I'm wearing gloves for you guys so you can really enjoy the product and not be grossed out. Oh, what do your nails look like? It got infected again. I had to take my nails off. So I didn't want you guys to be exposed to that. Okay, so on the top here, guys, it has a little carrying strap. Oh, Chippy, you look so cute. Look at you. Look at you. Oh my God, did I just talk to the cup? I'm losing it. I'm losing it.
Well, to be fair, the cup can talk back in the cartoon, so it's fine.
Okay, so there is stuff, and I don't want it to get stuck on the zipper. Don't get stuck. Oh, here's the tag. Okay. That's weird. Why would they shove the tag inside?
Why did Beast only have like one set of stuff for his full castle? Why didn't he have more? Why didn't he have more tea sets?
Oh, these were not tea sets. These are people who were cursed. They're his staff.
Yeah, it's his service staff. That's
it's
true.
His staff.
Yeah.
If you haven't watched Beauty and the Beast, I recommend it. It's one of my favorite cartoons of all time. We're going in, guys.
Your daughter and I were talking about that, and she was like, "I don't understand. Why did she stay with him at that castle?" And I was like, "You don't get it. She was there until her dad went to get help." She's like, she falls in love in one day. He's like, "Took a month." It's a long ways away.
It's a cartoon. It happens.
Yeah, but the castle was like far away from he lives in the middle of nowhere. The poor man had to hoof it back.
Oh, that's beautiful. So this is what the inside looks like, guys. I'm going to be quiet so you guys can take it in. Robert, you want to bring it forward for them
Oh, sure,
to
yeah.
see it? So on the lid here, there is this mesh pocket, and that's it. So this is a cosmetic case for normal people, not me. This would be a little carrying case for me, but let me zip it up. The zippers are in great condition. Look at that. So take it forward. Isn't that beautiful? So there you have it, guys. The new drop Belle set from Vera Bradley. It is called the Belle Beauty and the Beast. This is piece 1. I ordered 2 of these. One is for me. One is a gift. I'm sure I'll find someone to give it to. But look at that. Now show them the inside. Here, Robert, show them the inside. Go closer.
Ooh, I always like how they put things in there.
Is so pretty.
The inside is sometimes prettier than the outside.
Isn't that lovely?
Yeah, look at that. There's even other characters in there that are not outside of it.
Now, I don't remember what I paid for this. Like I said, my whole shipment here, everything together, what we have on there, 15 pieces, 16 pieces, was $1,000.
Yeah.
So, this one, they have it at $60, is what it says. Okay. Now, I saw some listed already on eBay for hundreds. So, not sure if they still have it, but I got notification that the drop hit. I was able to get it the first day, and it just came. It took about 2.5 weeks to come. So
yeah, but that's 2.5 weeks is before this video probably goes up too. So
it's gonna be a little longer. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna put him here. That's our first piece for today. I hope you like it. Remember, you saw it here first. Next up, we have. Now this is beautiful. I'm actually gonna include this in my lounge fly kind of collection, because these are bags that are cartoon characters. So now I don't have to get the lounge fly in the bell, because I had one in my cart.
Yeah.
I'll take it out because I think these are beautiful. So now this one is, it says Eevee crossbody sack. So I'm not sure what that says.
I see.
So it's wishful bell. That's what it's called.
Yeah.
Wishful bell. Okay? You can read that little part, Robert. My eyes are so bad. What's that say?
I can try to. Let me see.
I'm going to go very slowly. And box it very, very slowly. That will be the last one for today. Now make sure you come back and you're subscribed to see the rest. Okay? Because I have a lot of pieces, as you saw. Next video on this will be on the 14th. Look how cute. Wow. I just love seeing these in person. Wow. Okay, it says Beauty and the Beast. It is in the shape of a book. Look at this. Now this is this lovely blue and purple tone. It's a blurple color, like the handle's coming out as more blue. I'm getting some tones of purple. Wishful, I think this is called wishful something. What did I say, Robert? Wishful.
I'm still trying to see it. Hold on.
Oh, it's really tiny, I'm telling you.
Yeah, I need to get my glasses.
So it is a cross body. It has a handle. These handles are not removable, are they? No, it's attached on one side. So it is adjustable, but it's attached on one side. Okay. So again, I'll be quiet so you guys could take it in. Enjoy it. Looks like a book. Okay. It's beautiful. See the size-wise. It's a little smaller. It's like a beautiful collector's piece. I love it. Very, very beautiful. So let's open it up.
I mean, I can read it, but I don't know how to pronounce it.
Okay.
It's an Eva crossbody sack, a bandolier.
Bandolier? Okay.
Yeah. Eevee.
Eevee. So it's an Eevee. We're going to go with Eevee. And so on the inside, when you open it, it says, once upon a time. It has the rose. So on the lid here, it did say Beauty and the Beast. On the right side here, it says Beauty and the Beast.
Oh, that's clever.
So
it's
it's
a book.
like a book. Look. Isn't that beautiful?
That's kind of cool.
So in the front, on the sides here, it has that look of a book. Then when you open it up, where is the zipper?
Oh, the other end. Yeah, on the other end. There we go.
See what the inside looks like. So beautiful, right? I hope you guys are able to get it. Oh, it's so lovely. Okay, so the inside is the same colors of the other pieces.
Oh, that's the
Alright,
same,
guys,
yeah.
I think the phone turned off. I'm not sure where I was. Oh, I was removing the insides for you guys to see. The inside. So in the back here it has a zipper pocket, and that's it. And it's so beautiful on the inside. Some of the pieces I ordered are in this color here. So you'll see those. Look at this. And this is the Evie, guys, the new drop from Vera Bradley. The Belle collection, guys. What did you think? Did you like it? Let me know. Are you going to get any of the pieces from the Beauty and the Beast collection? So these are two of what my $1,000 got me. Make sure you come back. Make sure you are subscribed so you guys can see me unbox the other ones. Next video will be on the smaller piece like this. I have a little jewelry case in there. And I'm going to open maybe one of the backpacks. And I'll open a wallet for you guys. So it will be 3 pieces on the 14th for the Vera Bradley or Kipling day here on my channel. So far we've only been doing the Vera Bradleys in a row.
Yeah.
But you know what? Kipling needs to bring it. So there it is, guys. My newest pieces. Vera Bradley. Belle. Beauty and the Beast. Did you like it? Let me know. Please comment on the bottom, like, subscribe, all of that. And say hi to Chip. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.